This video, we will learn how to maintain the dish machine. First, make sure you have a full capsule of soap. For the deliming process, empty and drain the machine, filling it with fresh water. Open the door and carefully remove the cap. With a straight arm and away from your body, pour the entire bottle of contents into the dish machine. Close the door and allow the machine to finish its cycle. After deliming, run the machine 2 more times before operating to ensure all scale remover is removed from the system.